Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to crochet a windmill jasmine bouquet. It consists of 3 parts: the flower, the leaves and the center. There is also a bud, which is simple and easy to learn. Next, let's take a look at the tools we will use. Now let's take a look at how to crochet the petals. Let's take out the pink yarn. Use a 4.0 crochet hook. Prepare a few pieces of thin iron wire about 10 centimeters long. Make a slip knot on your hand. Insert the crochet hook. We start with a chain stitch. Make 12 chain stitches. Wrap the yarn and pull it out, counting as 1. After making 12 chain stitches, we insert the hook into the first stitch. Add the thin iron wire on top. Wrap the yarn and pull it out, then reverse the thin wire. Hold it with 2 fingers. Crochet the first single crochet. Wrap the yarn. Crochet the second stitch with a half double crochet. Next, crochet 7 double crochets. For the next 3 stitches, we wrap the yarn and pull out 2 loops. Wrap the yarn and pull it out again. Complete 1 double crochet stitch. Next, we crochet the remaining 6 double crochets. Crochet 7 double crochets. Next we'll do a half double crochet. Wrap the yarn 3 times around the hook. Pull it through the last stitch. We crochet 3 single crochets. Fold the wire down. Complete the 3 single crochets on the last stitch. Next we'll crochet back to the previous stitch. The first one is a half double crochet. Next is 7 double crochets. After completing 7 double crochets, it's a half double crochet. The last stitch is a single crochet. We go through the first, the slip stitch of the stitch. Wrap the yarn and crochet a slip stitch. Pull it through the loop. Let go of the yarn. This completes the petal. We need to crochet 13 petals in total. You can complete them yourself. Next we'll look at how to crochet the leaves. Prepare a piece of tin wire about 10 centimeters long and some yarn. We wrap a knot on our finger. Use a 4.0 crochet hook. We'll crochet 11 slip stitches through the loop. Wrap the yarn and pull it through, counts as 1. After crocheting 11 slip stitches, we insert the hook into the stitch. Add the wire to the first stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook from above the wire. Crochet a single crochet. Next, we wrap the yarn and crochet a half double crochet below. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Bring out 3 loops. We wrap the yarn and bring out all 3 loops in one go. The next one is a double crochet. We need to crochet a total of 5 double crochets. Bring out 2 loops, wrap the yarn. Bring out 3. This completes the method of crocheting a double crochet. We use the same method to crochet 4 more. Done. After crocheting 5 double crochets, wrap the yarn and crochet a half double crochet in the next stitch. Bring out 3 loops directly. In the next stitch, we crochet a single crochet. Okay, we are at the last stitch. Fold the wire in half. First crochet 2 single crochets. Then make 2 slip stitches. Wrap the yarn inside the 2 stitch lines. We crochet a slip stitch. Also bring out this loop. Form a dogtooth stitch. Hook another single crochet stitch after the connected subtitles. Next, we correspond back to hook the subtitles on the side. The first one is a single crochet stitch. The next stitch is a half double crochet. Following that are 5 double crochet stitches. After completing the 5 double crochet stitches, after that is a half double crochet stitch. The last one is a single crochet stitch. Pass through the chain of the first stitch. Wrap the yarn to pull through for a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. At this point, we need to leave the tail a bit longer. So we have completed the weaving of the leaf. There are a total of 7 leaves. Let's take a look at the method for making the flower center next. We need to have the glue gun ready in advance. Take out about 10 centimeters of wire and yellow yarn. We wrap the yarn around the wire at about 1/3 of the length. Hold the yarn tail tight to secure the wrapping. Wrap for a short section. We fold the wire in half. Wrap the yarn around like this, then wind it loosely. About 5 centimeters is enough. We use a glue gun at the end. Glue a little bit of glue on it, then cut the yarn. We need to use a small clip to combine this small circle. That's it. Just complete it according to the number we need. Next, let's take a look at the assembly. We can see this is a A small circle. This is a small circle. Please like, subscribe, share, and support.